Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, in this video we will going to discuss about introduction to lines and angles. So let's start the video. First we will discuss about lines. We will discuss about various types of lines, like what is a line, what is line segment, what is a ray, what are collinear points and non-collinear points. So our first point is line. Guys, what is a line? The line has neither starting point nor ending point with indefinite lines. Means जो लाइन है ना ही लाइन का कोई स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता, दैट मीन्स ना ही लाइन का कोई ओरिजिन होता एंड ना ही लाइन का कोई एंडिंग पॉइंट होता. इसकी लेंथ इनडेफिनेट है, इनफाइनाइट लेंथ होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ लाइन हेयर, सो I am representing it with arrows and the arrows represent the infinite nature of line. So guys, here that's how we can represent a line. I hope you have clear about line. So our next topic is line segment. So what is line segment? The part or portion of a line with two endpoints. Guys, line segment क्या होती है? किसी भी लाइन का पार्ट या उसका पोर्शन जिसके दो एंड पॉइंट्स हों, फिक्स्ड एंड पॉइंट्स हों, दैट मीन्स इट हैज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज द एंडिंग पॉइंट. हेयर आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ लाइन सेगमेंट. Line segment is representing with the dots the points at this is the starting point and this is a ending point. So here this is an line segment. So line segment is equals to AB. So this is a line segment. I hope you have clear about the line segment. So let's discuss our next topic, ray. So guys, what is ray? A ray is a part of line having one end point. And how to represent ray? So guys, here I am representing a ray. You can see this point gives the one end point and this arrow represents the infinite nature of on the one side of a ray. That means the one side is representing the infinite nature, infinite side, and other side is representing the starting point. So guys, this is ray. Now let's discuss about next are the collinear points and non-collinear points. So guys, what are collinear points? If three or more points lie on the same line, so these points are called collinear points. Like I am taking an example, this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point, and I am going to join these points. So guys, you can see these points representing a line. So these are said to be the collinear points. If we discuss about the non-collinear point, so just opposite to the collinear points. If three or more points are not lying on the same line, then these points are said to be the non-collinear points. Here I am representing 3 points. So like these are the 3 points. So guys, if we join 3 points, these are not lying on the same line. So guys, as you can see, these are said to be the non-collinear points. So this is all about the lines. Now, next we will discuss about the angles. So guys, in angles, let's discuss about the first type, acute angles. What are acute angles? Angles which are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree are said to be acute angles. Okay, जो एंगल 0 से बड़े हों और 90 से छोटे हों, they are said to be acute angles. So guys, next is obtuse angles. What are obtuse angles? Angles which are greater than 90 degree and are less than 180 degree. जो एंगल्स 90 से बड़े हों और 180 से छोटे हों, that are called obtuse angles. That means 90 और 180 के बीच में जो एंगल्स लाई कर रहे हैं उनको हम obtuse angles कहेंगे. Let's move to the next one. So guys, the angle which is equals to 90 degree is called a right angle. So this is the right angle. Here I am going to represent all the three types of angles. Guys, as you can see, I am drawing two rays that originate from the same point. So this is the angle of 90 degree. These two lines are forming the angles, these two rays are forming the angles, and these rays are said to be the arms of the angle. So this is the angle is of 90 degree. If I am drawing a ray from here, the angle from there is a acute angle. As you can see, this is a 0 degree and this is a 90 degree. These are the reference points. So you can see this ray lies between 0 and 90. So this angle is said to be acute angles. If I draw this ray from here to here, so as you can see, and the ray from here, as you can see, this angle or this angle is said to be an obtuse angles. So these are the obtuse angles. Okay guys, so these are all the three types of angles. So guys, next is straight angle. What is a straight angle? Angle which is equals to 180 degree is a straight angle or is called a straight angle. So here you can see all the angles. So this angle, this there, here from here, the whole angle is said to be a straight angle because this angle is of 180 degree. ये सारा जो है 180 degree का angle है. So guys, this is the straight angle. So guys, there are small terms along with these angles, like what are adjacent angles. The neighboring angles are said to be adjacent angles, like the angle made by these two rays and the angle made by these two rays are the adjacent angles. So this angle and this angle is an adjacent angles. Because these are the neighboring angles, so these are the adjacent angles. Or you can see this angle and this angle, this is also an adjacent angle. This angle or this angle, these are also said to be an adjacent angles. And along with that, so guys, our next type is complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree are said to be complementary angles. Like if I used to represent these angles, so you can see I have two angles here, this one and this one. So I name these angles as O, this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C, and take this angle as angle X and take this angle as angle Y. So according to complementary angles, the X plus Y is equals to 90 degree. So these are the angles and both having the sum of 90 degree and they having the sum of 90 degree. So guys, these are the complementary angles. So guys, our next type is supplementary angles. So guys, what are supplementary angles? Those angles whose sum is 180 degree. जिन angles का sum 180 degree होता है, that are called supplementary angles. As we know, I am drawing a line here. Okay guys, so these and a ray here. So you can see this one angle is here and one angle is this. Take this angle as X and take this angle as Y. As we have X as angle this and Y as angle this. So let's take the name of this A. So guys, these are the naming. So angle AOB is equals to X and angle BOC equal to Y. So as you can see, if I add these angles, if I add angle AOB and angle BOC, so the angle becomes 180 degree, which is a straight angle, as we have aware about it. So angle Y plus angle X is equals to angle 180 degree. So therefore angle X plus Y equal to 180 degree. So those angles are called supplementary angles. So guys, our next type is reflex angles. Guys, what are reflex angles? An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 160 degree. These are called reflex angles. Here I am going to represent reflex angles. So I am representing reflex angles. As you know, this is a straight line. So the straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. And what is the reflex angle? If I draw this as a ray, so I am taking the name here O, A, B and C, and the straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. But what is the reflex angle? Reflex angle is angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. The angle which is greater than 180 degree, that means that angle must be greater than 180 degree and must be less than 360 degree. So if I find the angle AOB, so angle AOB is acute. So if I find reflex of angle AOB, what will be the reflex of angle AOB? And you can take this angle AOB as angle X. Reflex of angle AOB is 360 degree minus X. So as you can see, if I take the whole angle, if you add these angles, the whole will make the 360 degree, and this angle will make the 360 degree minus X. So guys, you can see I have drawn here the reflex angle of angle AOB. So the reflex of angle AOB is 360 degree minus X. So guys, this is all about the introduction of lines and angles. I hope you all have clear about it. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this introduction, you can ask in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please like and share this video and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.